Okay, while we're here on the multi-valve overhead cam cylinder head, I have changed out the workpiece because I needed one with the lifter buckets in it. I'd like to introduce a brand new tool that we launched at the PRI show last year. This is called our BLG 1000, our bucket lifter grinder. What we have here is a patented tool that was designed by an engine builder just like you out there in the marketplace. He was frustrated with the time-consuming parts of reassembly of these multi-valve overhead cam cylinder heads. He scratched his head enough and he finally figured out a different way to skin this cat. Most of the time when you're reassembling these multi-valve overhead cam cylinder heads, you go through a meticulous measurement process. You got to measure the cam lash. Once you know what that cam lash is, then your decision is, do I grind the seat more? Do I grind the valve more? Do I tip the end of the valve? I've got three decisions to make. The decisions themselves are easy, but the process of getting back to that component is very time consuming because you have to disassemble the workpiece again. You have to pull the cams out, you have to pull the valves out, then you have to go back and grind that seat or tip that valve or re-grind that. What we've come up with here is our bucket lifter grinder. So I can take these bucket lifters like this one right here, and it's got a little tab or boss here on the inside of it. And that's what makes contact with the top of the valve. So with our bucket lifter grinder, runs on an air tool, just like what we got right here. I've got a little micrometer feed. I can actually get rid of my magnet there, come in and actually grind this piece square, 90 degrees, just like that. However much I need to, say I needed 5 thousandths or 10 thousandths taken off of that, I would just effect it right here at this boss and then put it back together, check my lash, and I'm done. So that takes what used to take about 4 hours worth of your precious and very expensive time to get the cylinder head put back together. When you invest in the BLG 1000, you can knock almost 2 hours of time off of that, averaging about an hour and a half time savings out there per cylinder head of reassembly by machining the boss in the bucket with the BLG 1000. Thank you.